benefit of using visual components is we can program robots in the office while robots are working in production. The core business of MSK Finland is manufacturing safety cabins for vehicles from concept design to serial production and everything between. Main segments are agricultural and logistics. We have mainly high volume serial production. Robots are mainly welding, but we have also painting, grinding, and material handling. MSK have used robots since 90s. We have 6 robot cells and total number of robots are 20. We use ABB, Yaskawa, and Universal robots. We must keep high automation level to keep competitive in our business. According to my experience, it's 50% faster program with visual components OLP than teach pendant. It depends what kind of product we are programming, and it's also depending which cell we are using for the programming. Example, multi-robot cell is much difficult to program than a simple cell. With visual components OLP, typical time is 1 week to program. It is much more efficient to program with the visual components because you can check movements and delete unnecessary points. And for seam tracking and seam finding, it's more efficient to program. For new robots, we can make programs ready even before actual robot cell is ready. Right now, we are working on how to utilize welding data from CAD model and how to use it on the OLP. For sure, we are going to invest more robots.